Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're embarking on an exciting challenge. Creating a week's worth of delicious meals on a tight budget. I'm talking about our budget-friendly meal prep challenge. We've got 7 days ahead of us, and we're going to make sure every meal is not only tasty, but also easy on the wallet. But before we dive into the kitchen, let's head to the grocery store and see what we can find on a budget. All right, we're here at the grocery store, and the first step to saving money on our meals is smart shopping. We're going to be mindful of sales, look for generic brands, and focus on versatile ingredients that we can use in multiple dishes throughout the week. Now that we've got everything we need, it's time to start meal prepping. We're going to plan out our meals for the week and get cooking. All right, it's been a busy few hours, but we've successfully prepped all our meals for the week. Let's take a closer look at what we've got. We've got breakfast burritos for those busy mornings, hearty salads for lunch, and flavorful stir-fries for dinner. And of course, we can't forget about snacks, homemade energy balls and veggie sticks with hummus. Now comes the best part, the taste test. I've invited some friends to join me, so let's dig in and see how our budget-friendly meals turned out. Wow, I'm really impressed with how these meals turned out. They're not only delicious, but also incredibly budget-friendly. Well, that wraps up our budget-friendly meal prep challenge. I hope you enjoyed following along and picked up some helpful tips for saving money on your meals. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!